Mental illness. Psychiatric disorders. Psychiatric disorders can be divided into organic and functional. Dementia is a mental disorder due to organic brain diseases. The commonest form of dementia is that associated with old age. Uh, Senile dementia disorders in which there is no obviously pathology or anatomical change in an organ are termed functional. They are described below. Substance abuse. Abuse of a substance means using it in a way that is harmful. The commonest forms of substance abuse are alcoholism and drug abuse. C. Affective disorders. Here is an extract from a medical textbook. Affect and mood are similar, are meaning and refer to the emotions, for example, happiness or sadness. Affect tends to be used for temporary emotions and is expressed through a manner of speaking, facial expression, or behavior. Mood is used to refer to a more permanent emotional state. The most common form of affective disorder is depression. The symptoms of which are poor appetite or significant weight loss, sleep disturbance, for example, insomnia, inability to sleep, fatigue, loss of energy, psychomotor agitation, excessive movement and throat, or psychomotor retardation, slowing of movement and throat. Loss is interest in stimulating activities, decreased ability to think and concentrate, a feeling that one is of no value to others, or that one has done something wrong. A recurrent thought of death or suicide. 5 or possibly 4 of the above symptoms occurring nearly every day for at least 2 weeks constitute a major depression. D. Neurotic and stress-related disorders. An example of neurotic disorder is obsessive compulsive disorder. An obsession is an idea that is so persistent that it interferes with the patient's life. A compulsion is an obsessive idea that forces the patient to act even though they recognize that it is unnecessary. A common form of this is compulsive washing of the hands. Stress is a feeling of being unable to cope. It can lead to anxiety, of fear, of problems. A sudden attack of anxiety is called a panic attack. E. Other types of functional disorder. These include behavioral syndromes associated with psychological disturbance, which as eating disorders of adult personality and behavior. For example, personality disorder, mental retardation, delayed mental development, um, is schizophrenia are other disorders in which there are delusions, false beliefs,